Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to make group chat on Character AI app. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open the application on your phone. Then, once you open it, you will have to log in with your account. Then, after you enter your email, it will be displayed right here, this page. Now, you can simply click on create right here, then choose this option, group chat. Then, what you should do is to simply add any character that you want. Let's say that I'm going to add Jack Sparrow, for example. You can now add any characters that you want. I'm going to add also Spider-Man. Then I will click on create group chat. And by this way, you can simply create the group chat. And you can also invite some of your friends. And that is it. But I want to notify you that you may do not have this option to create a group chat if you are using another version or if you are using the desktop version of Character AI. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.